Hello everyone, welcome to this question on percentage where we are required to express a percentage as a fraction. So in this case here, what do we do when we express a percentage as a fraction? Very good. We divide by 100. So this is the percentage. I'm going to divide by 100, and that will allow us to express our answer as a fraction, and this will give me a value of 3/5. So the key is, if we would need to express a percentage as a fraction, we divide by 100. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Now, in this particular question, we are required to express the first quantity, 68 gram, as a percentage of the other quantity. Here is 2 kg. Do notice that the units are different. So even before we get started on expressing as a percentage, we do need to make sure one very important thing: the units of both quantity must be the same. So in this case here, you either convert both to gram or you convert both to kg. Either way is fine. So I'm going to convert my 2 kg by multiplying by 1000 to grams. And then I can convert them now to percentage by multiplying by 100%. Do take note, the first quantity has to be at the numerator. The second quantity is at the denominator. Then this will give me the final answer in percentage. When you key into your calculator, do key in the following. Alright, and this will give me a value of 3.4%. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the problem. We are given the mark price. Which includes the GST is 1,280. And the GST rate is 8%. So since it includes GST, meaning that this actually is, and the GST rate is 8%, this is represented by 108%. So we now need to find the price before GST, and the price before GST would then be our 100% price. So we just need to find what is our 100%. So I will have my $1,280. I'm going to divide by 108. That will give me the value for 1%. Then I multiply by 100 to find my 100%. Yeah, this will give me a value of 1,185, and since this gives me quite a fair bit of decimal, final answer, since this is given in dollars, we usually write it to the 2 decimal place or to the nearest cent. Alright? And we have come to the end of this part of the question. Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we have an apple carton where 18% of the apples were rotten and 656 of the apples were fresh. Find the total number of apples. So for the very first thing, I would then want to see how many percent is represented by 656. And then the total number will be represented by 100%. So I will of course have the percentage of fresh apples as having my 100% minusing my 18% to give me 82%, and this 82% fresh apples 656. So now I know that 82% representing 656 apples, and I do need to find my 100%. 656, I am going to divide by 82. That will give me the value for 1%. And once I know this 1%, I just need to multiply by 100. And that will give me the number of apples for 100%. And that will be the total number of apples. We have come to the end of this question. So if you like this video or this channel at this point in time, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this question on discount and percentage profit. So Anne purchased a hair dryer for $72. So this will be what we call the selling price because he had purchased it. The shop gave her a discount of $5.76. Later on, she sold it to a friend for $86. So let's take a look at part A, where we need to find the percentage discount. So this being the selling price by the shop. So this one actually represented a price that is after the discount, right? And so it will be good for us to know what is the mark price, which is the price before the discount. So we will have the $72 and the discount is $5.76, and therefore this one will translate to $77.76. And so I would be able to find the percentage discount now. Percentage discount is therefore the discount dividing by the mark price multiplied by 100%. And we got all the values here, right? Discount is $5.76. Mark price is $77.76. I just need to multiply by 100%, and that will give me a value of see, 7.4074%, which is 256 fig. Final answer, do leave your answer to 3 significant figures. Now for part B, where we are required to find the percentage profit, because at first she bought it for $72. She actually sold it for $86. So she made a profit, right? So for this case, the percentage profit will be equals to the profit divide by the over the cost price times 100%, and in this case the cost price is the price paid for by N. She paid for it for $72 and she actually sold it to Cindy for $86. So how do we find the profit? How much does she earn? Yes, we are going to minus away the $72. This is our profit, and we will have to divide by the price that she paid for the hair dryer multiplied by 100%. So if you realize, this one will be equals to 86 minus 72 is actually $14 over the price she paid for times 100%, and finally this will give me a value of 19.4444% to about 5 or 6 significant figures, followed by final answer 3SF. With that, we have come to the end of this particular video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.